SociLead Messenger, your most effective Facebook lead interactive tool. Have you heard our challenges setting up our customer support chat plugin on your website? Or are you worried about paying several dollars monthly maintaining your chat plugin that allows you to engage with your customers on your website? Then your problems are solved with SociLead Messenger. SociLead Messenger allows you to easily set up a chat function on your website, just as you can see it here, interacting straight with your Facebook Messenger system. You can have this support done and managed from the SociLead Messenger. On your SociLead dashboard here, you can get to see how you can set up your Facebook customer chat plugin. Once you click on it, you can have it embed as a JavaScript code, or you could download the WordPress plugin if you're already running on the WordPress website. Once you download it, you have it installed on your website, and you have a free chat plugin that allows you to interact with your customers. With SociLead Messenger, you can also set auto-reply messages to your comment. You can also set call to actions on posters. Here is already set chat function which you saw on the website here. You notice here you have the website link created, you have the page selected, you also have the JavaScript code done. You can edit this, you can get the JavaScript code, or you can download the WordPress Easy Embed plugin. Now you can always get several chat plugins which you want to get embedded created. Once here you select the page, you add the domain as mentioned here, you select your language. Of course, you have the option of selecting if you want to optimize, you want your chat page to display or not. Once you finish that setting up your page, you'll see the embed code display here. So let's say you want to point it to another page, you must ensure that you have SMTP embedded on the page. So you could have it as, let's have here, alright, so you select language. Once you hit and get embed code, you see the JavaScript code here shown. Of course, you can also hit to download your WordPress plugin. And once you finish setting up that, you can also come down here to see the other functions you can do with your SociLead Messenger, setting up auto-reply campaigns to your specific post using your post ID. You can get to see your several pages, and you can scroll down to whichever page you want to set up an auto-reply comment to. Once you hit on enable reply by post ID, this means that you already have a post ID with which you want to set an auto reply to. You can set it up here and check for the existence of such posts and go ahead to set up the auto reply. But where that is not there, you can now come straight here to set up auto reply on your recent posts, and this will populate your recent posts for you, allowing you to see the number of posts you can set auto reply to. So you see that on this message we've already set enabled. You can get to see the auto reply. If you hit on edit here, it takes you to the campaigns we've set. Now the campaign, notice here that we are also able to hide or delete comments that have offensive keywords in them. And what are the offensive keywords we are looking at for? We are looking at for the word spam, we are looking at for the word fake, we are looking at for the word full. All of these are declared offensive keywords, which if users tend to comment on a post using this keyword, we are saying let such comment be hidden or let such comment be deleted. But that will also follow with a private reply message like, hey, kindly investigate properly before dropping nasty comment. So that also sits up whoever dropped whatever nasty comment that may have been dropped. So if you scroll down here, you also can see other functionalities you can enable as well as disable. You have to say, do you want to send reply messages to a user multiple times? Of course, no. Do you want to enable comment reply? Yes. Do you want to like on comment by page? Now it says, do you want to hide comment after comment reply? No. Okay, you have the option of setting generic message for all. Once you set this generic message, it means that whatever that is dropped, that's the message that would go here. But if you want to send the message filtering by sentence, you can send this. You can also choose to copy this and also create a generic message which you can drop here. So generic message sends out a message straight to you. You can also embed your image comment here. Whatever comment you set as an auto reply, you want it to go out with an image, you can set it there. If you want a video to go out with it, you can also set it there. So once you hit that, you hit an update. If you are creating new, you also see the create new function, saving your entry. Now you can scroll back up here to close up what you've done. So as much auto reply you want to send, you can pick your specific post and hit on setup auto campaign to set up whatever you want to set up, and you hit on save to get it saved. So that's how you go about using your SociLead Messenger. The next function you also get to play around with on your SociLead Messenger is your call to action poster. Alright, so the next thing you look at is our messengers button. The messengers button allows any user who comes to your website to easily send message to you. Now, if you look at this page, you can find the messages button which we've created, and we added our choice image here. So go ahead, send us a message, and once you hit on this quickly gets connected with your Facebook Messenger. This was achieved using your SociLead Messenger account. So you can now see continue Joshua on your Messenger ID, and once you do that, you can get connected with any user who comes on your website. You can always get them connected with your Messenger list. So once that is done, you can also start chatting up. Once you hit the messages button, you can find the messages button which we've created, which resulted to the page which you were seeing. Alright, so see here, so to do that, you always have to select a page which you want to message with. You can pick from either of the images here, or just like we did, you can choose to drop your image URL which you want to work with. Now see here, so I already have the image here which I've already uploaded into my WordPress site. I'm copying the URL of this image here. I'm bringing it back to my SociLead account. I drop the image here. Once I drop the image, all I need to do is just to click here, and it displays the image and has every other function embedded on it automatically. All I need to do is to copy this and paste it on the page, which was what I did here. If we go back here, let's go back to the page here, you get to see it. Alright, ready on the page here, you get to see the embed link here. This is where we drop the code. This is the code we dropped that resulted to us having on our page. You can message us here. So of course you can have some of these call to actions placed on your blog post or placed in strategic locations on your website, which will easily connect your website users to get on your messengers list, which you can always engage with them. The next is your call to action poster here. Your call to action poster allows you to set up any content with a URL and post it directly to your Facebook page, meaning that you can just come to YouTube here. Let's just say we're on YouTube here, and on YouTube we want to copy the YouTube URL. Let's say we are copying this YouTube URL here now, and we copy it up, we bring it back here, can stop this, we bring it back to our SociLead. This is a campaign that was already created. You can visit it, you can also message the page, but let's say you're creating a new call to action post campaign. On your new call to action post campaign, you can drop either an image URL, a video URL, or a website URL which you are using to post to the page, and once it's clicked on it, it redirects to the page. Alright, so the campaign starts with giving it a campaign name, so we can just have it here, learn about, just have here the learn about SociLead. Alright, so you have a message. Whatever message, we are glad to inform you that SociLead Messenger is now live. Alright, so to do that, you can now paste your link here. The link here could be a website link, could be an image URL, could also be a video URL. So what we have here is a video URL, and you will see how it crawls the page and set up our video here as a content which we are posting. And of course you can select your button type here. The button type is message page, and post to page, which page you want to post it to. You can select the page you want to post it to. You can scroll down to the page you want to post it to. Once you have it here, you hit it and the page you want to get connected to. And once that is done, you can also hit it to be auto share to other posts. If you hit it to auto share, you can share it to timeline. You can also select to auto like this post on other pages. You can enable it. You can also create further engagement on this page. Says auto private reply on users comment. You can enable it and set whatever private reply. Hey friend, hey, nice to have you. Check out this post. Don't miss this one-time offer. Alright, so you can also set enable comment. If you set enable comment, you also send your comment which you want to. Hey buddy, nice to have you. Check this out. Alright, so we have it there. You can also choose to schedule it later, or you could choose to send it now. Once you hit on submit post, it processes it and posts it to your Facebook page. We're going to hit on Facebook page and you get to see the content yourself and see the entire interactions that has been created on it. So right here on the report page, you can get to see your CTA post campaign list, and if you hit on visit, it takes you straight to the Facebook post list which was created for you. And something interesting about this post is that you can see the call to action send message. So once you hit on send message, it does send a private message to your chat flow. You can see it here, and you can also comment on it and drop it. You can just have it cool, and that goes. So that's how interesting you can work with your SociLead call to action poster here. You can also get to see your auto reply report, just as it is also covered here. So with that, you can also see the auto reply report. If there are interactions on it, you can also hit on the post ID to go directly to the auto reply post that was set on it. But before you get on all of these, you have to first of all set up a Facebook account for you to successfully get all of this done with SociLead Messenger. To get your account connected, of course, you need to find out what your Facebook profile numeric ID is. For you to know what your Facebook numeric ID is, you must, of course, come back to your account here. Always click on your account name. Once you click on your account name, you copy your entire profile URL. If you copy your profile URL, now from your SociLead, you have what we have here as how to get Facebook numeric ID. Once you hit on open in new tab, it takes you to the new tab where you can get your account connected. Now, once you get here, all you need to do is to get this account done. You say find numeric ID. Once you find your numeric ID, you copy this numeric ID. Now, notice what happens here. Because we have this particular account connected to this page and is a one-time offer, we need to remove this account to have other successful account pointed to it. But this is what happens if you do that. If you send this account and send app request, it sends an app request to your Facebook. Notice here it says app request has been sent. If you come back to your Facebook here, you notice the notification here says a request to add you as a tester of SociLead Messenger from the Facebook developer app has been sent. So once this goes here, all you need to do is either accept or you decline. Once you accept, once you confirm, it means that you've been added into the app. You can come back to the app to say I confirm app request, and once you do that, you can say login with Facebook, and once you log in with Facebook, your account will be imported and you can start using SociLead Messenger. So that's all about SociLead Messenger.